PCG Aviation Force has uploaded photo of the SAID aircraft undergoing assembly at Airbus Helicopter Philippines. Airbus said that the new 4-ton class twin-engine helicopter is specially equipped with high-frequency radios, emergency flotation gear, fast roping, cargo sling, searchlight, and electro-optical systems to perform critical missions including search and rescue, medical evacuation, maritime patrol and law enforcement. Airbus said in September 2018 that the contract for PCG will also encompass on-site technical support and continuing airworthiness management organization services, fully supported by Airbus's team in the country. We are honored by the Philippine Coast Guard's decision to introduce the country's first parapublic H145 into its fleet, as the perfect complement to the current workhorse BO-105, which has served the agency well for the past 40 years. We have full confidence in the H145's ability to support the agency's work, coupled with our dedicated in-country customer center which stays committed to supporting its operations in close proximity, Philippe Monta, head of Southeast Asia and Pacific of Airbus Helicopters, said in September 2018.